How to grow coriander. Coriander is a special plant commonly used in every home. Its leaves are used as green coriander. It is used as a dry spice by drying it, that is, by soaking and grinding the seeds. And it is also grown by using it as seeds. Growing environment. Cool and sunny environment has a profound effect on its growth. Extremely hot and high temperatures, cold or humid weather are harmful. Remember that coriander plant is the most delicate plant in the world. Its seeds germinate in 7 to a maximum of 21 days. It should not be planted in humidity and strong sunlight. It should not be planted in fog either. That is why experts consider April and September to be the best season for planting it. Now let us tell you the factors that affect its planting. Temperature. A temperature of 15 to 25 degrees is considered the best for it. Pot size. The size of the pot for this is the width of your choice and the depth is minimum. It should be 6 inches AZ. How to plant. In the method of planting. Soak its seeds in water for 24 hours so that they become soft. Rub them in such a way that it is divided into 2 or more parts, so that there is maximum growth. Press it into the soil and give it a little water. Soil or soil. It should be planted in good soil, containing peat and cocoa peat or other organic fertilizer. Depth and spacing. Keep the distance between them in such a way that the plant grows well and does not start to rot together. Bury the seeds in the ground 1 to half an inch. And put a light layer of soil on top, so that the seeds do not rot and do not get damaged and the roots spread in the ground. Sunshine. It needs 5 to 6 hours a day. If there is too much sun, growth will decrease. If there is too much shade, it will rot and get damaged. Water. It does not need much water. Try to keep the soil most of the time, it should remain dry. Too much water will also kill the seeds. Other recommendations: check frequently to see if they will sprout quickly. They will sprout and come out in 7 to 21 days. Try to keep a suitable distance between each plant so that they can grow well. It is easy to remove weeds and they do not get tangled up and rot as they grow.